Okay, so today video is about how to create the subdomain. So let's move here. Click on this subdomain, and here by default this one is added here, right? So whenever you will enter something like a demo, so we'll create this demo.cdlcell.com like this, right? And for example, I'm the laravel lover, right? I'm the laravel select developer, so I'm going to create the domains using this laravel. So I'm going to name this laravel dot com dot cdl dot cdlcell dot com. So my domain will be subdomain will be this laravel dot cdlcell dot com, right? Like this, right? For now it's not going to open. Why? Because I have not created yet, right? Okay, so before creating you need to make sure this thing that where you want to create the directory for this domain, right? I'm telling you about the hosting directory where you will host your website, right? So if you want to customize this, you don't want to create this inside the public HTML. By default it will be created inside the public HTML, right? If you want to customize this, you want to create this into the separate directory, so simply click on this, and here it's pointing this one is default directory, and after this default directory you can add whatever path where you can, right? I'm going to create this inside the cdl projects directory, right? And after this I want to create the laravel, right? So let me make sure that this directory exists here. Here I'm in the cdl projects, right? Okay, there is no laravel directory, right? I'm going to create this how to. So simply click on this create. Okay, great, this one is now created, and the path is this one, right, where I can open my hosting. Okay, and if I go here and give it a refresh, so this comes with the default page, so it will load the default page. Refresh, and still it's not loading. laravel.com, no, there is no typo mistake. Okay, I fixed the issue. So basically the issue is due to caching, right? So our route is cached, right? If I go ahead and give it a refresh, so now it's working fine, right? So this Chrome new update is caching it a lot, right? So before this I'm not facing these type of issues, but nowadays it's more strict regarding the caching. So make sure to clear your cache, there is no issue, right? If I go here and visit the app directory, like this one is laravel, and here we created this index.html, right? If I go here and give it a delete this out, so now this will load this default.php file. Okay, let's give it a try. Refresh, and yes, now it's loading the default file, right? This one, right? But I don't want this one, right? I want to upload my own project here, and then I will run this here, right? So now let's first to create the project. Okay, so let's go here, and I'm going to create a new project. First I'm going to name this this should be demo app, right? And in the demo app I'm going to create a new directory. Let me open this. Not directly, this would be the file. I'm going to name this index.html, or you can specify the index.php. So it will read it from the index file, even its extension is php or html. Okay, just get this as html, and also open this in the text editor. So I'm using Sublime. Okay, so here you need to define your basic stuff and do demo, or I can say that hosting demo deployment. Okay, and then here I'm going to define any heading like h2 uh, hello dear. Okay, and then here I can specify this in the h3. Hope you are doing great. uh, we will deploy this app on the server, right? This one is a simple website. This is not an app, but I'm naming this app because later on we will upload deploy the app. Okay, this one is our directory, right? So you can say that this one is our application. So now how to deploy this? So do not drag this automatically here on the hostinger, right? Why? Because it will take a lot of time. So first make sure to zip this or compress this and then go ahead with this one. Okay, just right click on this, and if you want to zip the file, you can download the any of the zip software, right? So I installed this WinRAR. Yes, click on this zip, or you can also do this with the RAR or RAR4, but make sure to check them that these files are supported. On the hostinger, this RAR file is not supported, so you can do this with the zip. Okay, and then wait for a moment to complete this process. Okay, it's done, right? It's there. So now I'm going to drag this on the hostinger, right? So simply drop this and it says that it's uploading, and yes, it's uploaded successfully, right? Okay, if I go here and open my laravel.cdlcell.com, so it will open nothing, right? 403 access to resource on the server is denied, right? Because we need to extract this. So simply go here and click on this, right click on this, and there's option of extract. Click on it, and here the main thing is you can go into the other directory. For example, I want to go back, so simply click on this and then this will be opened. And if I go ahead and add this into the bed system, so select this and we are inside this bed system. But I want to go back here, right? And just go to the laravel, right? And if you are inside the directory, so simply go here and type dot here. So it's we are basically telling the hostinger to extract this file in the same location. For example, we are in the same directories, we want to extract this into the same directory. So click on this extract, and yes, this one is extracted. And now I can save the backup, or I can simply delete this out, right? So right click on it, or there are option of top on this delete, click on it, and yes, this one is now deleted, right? But here as we did this, that we are having this file in the demo app, right, which is wrong. So what is the right way? So right way is to go inside this and then select your all of the files and zip them like this, right? I'm going to teach you both ways because whenever you are new in this journey, so you will do this, that extract this file, then go to the exact folder, copy all of the file and move them back, right? So don't do this. Simply extract this, simply compress this inside the folder, and then here extract this, and then this will, you don't need to move the stuff. Okay, right, we have got this file, so let me delete this out. Great. Now if I give it a refresh, so this will work. Refresh, and yes, hello dear, hope you are doing great and our website is running smoothly, right? So in this way you can create the subdomain and then deploy your application on the hostinger. So in the next video we'll cover some more steps, that how we can connect the database and so on. So thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.